Hi, I am from Innovation System of Arts and Trades, accredited by TESDA, with registration number WTR09130-32632. Date issued at July 28, 2009. We offered special courses shielded metal arc welding snow NC2 within 260 tasks with a low-cost tuition fee. Enroll na. Call now our school at 501-8663 or visit our school training center at 50 Adya ML Quezon Street, Bagong Bayan, Taguig City.